Hi guys, we are at the Ain Car Museum in the UAE, and if you are a car lover, this is one place you have to visit. This museum was established in 2009, and I have been told that there are some cars here that are as old as 1916. So I'm really excited. I have a link in the description just in case you want to know more. The entry fee is just 80 per person and it's free for kids. For all those Chevy fans, here is the classic 490, which had a 2.8 liter 4-cylinder engine back then. Look at how the logo looked. It was a convertible with a soft top. I really don't know if it's in a working condition, but it's definitely one of those to look back at the great Chevy history. This is probably the mother of all cars. Here is the 1917 Model T from Ford. It had an impressive front grille, a lovely paint job, and it was a pretty impressive car dating back then. Two doors, I think it was a preference even back then. Oh, this is the famous French car manufacturer Citroen. Nice dual body tones for a car back then. Well, I'm reading that this car had 29 HP, which was probably great back then. Whoa, and here is a Beetle, and I probably don't want to talk about it because it's a legend. I mean, everyone knows about the Volkswagen. A very peculiar design and a rare engine vehicle at that time. This car is a true legend and has a long history. Volkswagen Beetle. And this is the GMC Sierra. Look how massive, how huge, how big this vehicle was back then, although it being a 1979 model. I'm pretty sure it was a big hit back then too, just like the way it is right now. A big brand from GMC. And it had a 5.7 liter 8-cylinder engine. Oh, that's a lot of power for back then. Woohoo! Elvis is in the house. Now this was one hell of a car. No wonder the great Elvis loved the Cadillac El Dorado. I mean, even I would love to own one. Look at the length of the bonnet and the boot. I mean, it's magnanimous. Drive this car and you're sure to get the attention. I mean, it's huge and beautiful. And all you Chevy Camaro fans, manufactured in the 1961, this was a 5.7 liter 8-cylinder engine. The front grills are almost falling off, and in fact, we even have the advertisement posted back then which reads, "Speed Trap." Any guesses? Well, this is the 1969 Dodge Charger and had an 8-cylinder 7.2 liter engine. Take a bow, Dodge. This must have definitely been one of the most powerful cars that back then. A killer machine. I just personally love the front grille with the Dodge badge and specifying the RD or racing technology. Here we go, friends. This car museum has so many cars. Wait a minute, hang on. This is the Datsun 280Z 2.8 liter turbo engine. The 280Z does ring a bell with the naming convention, doesn't it? Yep, it was manufactured by Nissan from 1978 to 1983. This has definitely got to be my favorite car in the house, the Mercedes-Benz K500. I mean, I love the design. It's huge and it's no less than royalty, I must say. You possibly have all sorts of cars out here and I could just go on and on. So if you are keen to go down memory lane with the Nissan 300ZX, Dodge Coronet, Audi, Mercedes, Range Rover and many more, this is one place you have to visit. Roughly around 2.5 hour drive from Abu Dhabi, this is definitely a place to visit for all you car enthusiasts.